So Small Blocks Big Dreams is targeted at those who own smaller properties. So you might have a 5-acre property, you might have a 50-acre, 100-acre, you might have a 2-acre property. We know that the Corangamite region has a lot of smaller properties, so we wanted to tailor a program to suit some of the smaller properties. So we've got lots of threatened species, lots of different land use, and so that's why we're here tonight to talk about how we can manage our land for the things that we want to do and also incorporate looking after some of these natural assets as well. The reason that we're running this project is because intensive land use can lead to land degradation.
It's all about regen ag, which I think you guys are going to learn a fair bit about if you sign up to the course, which you absolutely should, because it's totally changed my practice and what I do. And I've implemented it onto the property I manage, and the results that we have seen there are absolutely phenomenal.
It's a partnership project with Landcare, different agencies. You get a visit with a Landcare facilitator or someone from the Catchment Management Authority. And we've also got $2,000 available once you do the workshop series, and this project is around supporting people to learn from experts around how to manage that better for your horse health and your land health.